Making money in passive income is something that you'll see in today's video. I'll show you some apps that are absolutely free to use and worldwide available so you can get paid again and again in PayPal money. If you're interested, make sure to stay with me till the end of this video so you can get every step right. Before I start with this tutorial, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload the brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion. With all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you each and every app. And the first app that we are going to use today is called CashMagnet. This is over at cashmagnetapp.com. You can get money from your Android phone. They pay you for every minute of the time when you do nothing. So this is available only for Android devices actually, but don't worry because I'm going to show you an app that is going to pay you even if you use an iOS device. In order to start with it, you can just put your email address, a password here, and then you can sign up, or you can sign in with even with your Google account. If you scroll down, you're going to see that they have the largest payments because CashMagnet is going to unite all of the best reward programs in one place. You don't need to perform any task, to play games, watch videos, and so on, because you're going to earn in passive income and automatically. You're going to see that for only 2 months of working with CashMagnet, you're going to buy also another phone. So that works for you around the clock, as it says here. They have like thousands of satisfied users. If you scroll down, you're going to see something very important. This is absolutely safe. They guarantee that your data and personal settings are not going to be used in any way. They pay you through PayPal money, but also in different gift cards from Xbox, PlayStation, Amazon, and so on. And let's see why this app is paying you for doing nothing. So CashMagnet is an Android app that allows you to earn extra income while you are not using your phone. So the program works while you are not using your phone because the app is going to browse sites, install games, and they only visit the safe sites and install only trusted games, so don't worry about that. And the only purpose of the app is to view ads, click on banners, install games, and watch ads. So by doing this, they are going to get paid by sponsors and are going to share the revenue with you. So you just need to download the app, and whenever you are not using this app, they are going to browse some sites, install some apps, and so on. So if you don't want this to happen on your phone, if you have an old phone, you can just install it on there. So while you are not using it, CashMagnet is going to do all of these tasks, and you're going to get paid in passive income again and again. So it's pretty awesome actually to get paid without doing anything. I'm going to proceed with the next platform for today, which is called Money SMS. This is over at moneysmsapp.com. This is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. So you're going to get paid into your Android phone. Even this one is available for Android devices, but I'm going to give you that app which is also available for iOS devices, so stay tuned for that. And you're going to get paid anytime you receive some SMSs, which is pretty awesome actually. If you scroll down, you're going to see some of the features that this app offers. It works on Android, as we said before, because only Android allows apps in order to read SMS. You're going to install this app, and then you're going to make money for receive SMS test messages. So this is a secure app. Once again, they are not going to read any of your private messages or any other data. They only read the messages that they send themselves. It is an automatic earning because you're going to earn money in passive income without any active actions required from your side. You just need to download this app, and you're going to leave your internet connection open, so this app is going to run in the background. They also offer a referral program, so you can refer your friends and earn up to 30% from their earnings, and this is absolutely free. Just like I said before, you don't need to pay anything in order to get started. started. So you're just going to download and install the APK. As you can see, they also offer the APK installation here step by step. You're going to see how you can do that on your Android phone, so don't worry about that. You're going to have it here on APK installation section. You're going to receive those automatic test SMS, and then you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid automatically 0.02 euros, which is not a lot actually, but still is very good to get paid per SMS that you're going to get. And of course you're going to accumulate those earnings, and once you get 2 euros in your account, you're going to get to request your payment. If you scroll down, you're going to see here that you can get paid in PayPal money, Skrill, web money, but also in cryptocurrencies. And you can also see down here that people are getting paid like $5 or even more, even on a single day, which is pretty awesome actually. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to notice that they have paid more than 300,000 of euros, which is awesome. And also the reason what they are getting you paid, because it's something that I guess you are wondering. Some mobile network operators need to send SMS test messages to foreign countries so they can verify and assure their proper delivery of their SMS. So you're going to get paid because you're going to use your phone number to provide those testing services. And once again, they do not read your private messages. You're going to see even here that this is a legit platform. You can also check out their payment proofs in this section, or you can check out the ranking and reviews from other people and users over here. So just download the APK from the website, and you're going to get paid again and again by receiving those SMS. Let's proceed also with the third and also the final app for today, which is called Current.us or US. You're going to see that you can earn rewards while you're working, while you're running, commuting, and so on. And this app is also available for iOS devices, so you can get it on App Store or Google Play Store. If you scroll down, you're going to see that you're going to get paid by listening to your favorite music. They offer you more than 100,000 of radio stations, and you're going to get paid for doing so, which is pretty crazy actually, because we listen to music on a daily basis, and it's pretty awesome to get paid by doing so. You can earn points by playing your favorite music, which you can of course redeem for money, and you can spend your points even on your favorite brands if you want to. By shopping online. So what you can do is to go over to Google Play Store. You can see that this says like more than 2 million of reviews and 4.4 stars reviews, which is pretty awesome actually. You can even get paid by playing games if you want to, and you have even over at the App Store with more than 60,000 of reviews with 4.5 stars. In order to maximize your results, of course, you can use all of these platforms that I showed you today in order to earn the most money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, just make sure to give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also to subscribe to my channel, World. Thank you for watching.